Hey folks, welcome to my desk build. I've got to build a desk so I can do a little bit of computer work in a tight space. So I've got to custom make this thing, and I figured I'd film it. I've already laid everything out, and I've already started to cut the larger piece like the desktop and some of the heavier pieces like the sides. So I'm just going to finish this cutting and let you see the build process. So what I've done is I've drawn all these things out, kind of rough cut what I need, and then I put my dimensions on here so when I get it on the table saw, I'll know what I'm supposed to be cutting.
Blue jean people, blue jean people, blue jean people don't need a lot of money, 'cause there's no need. No, there's no need.
I'm not really the only one that doesn't use the guard.
Yes, masquerading. Blue jean people,
Yeah, clean that up. I didn't write the dimensions on this.
they think it's funny.
Are you okay? Sorry about
Is
that.
how the world is salivating. Yes, salivating. 'Cause the world can't see the future. There's
10.
no one
That's supposed to be 17.
that life is easier this way. Always be yourself.
Alright, that's it. That's all the cut. At least until I go to trim it.
Our own lives reward. Blue jean people, blue jean people, blue jean people, they have all the answers. Just slow down. Yeah, just slow down. Stop salivating. No masquerading. Blue jean people may not be the bosses,
Trying to go two-tone,
but just watch them.
but I don't know if I have enough stuff to do it, so
Yeah,
we'll
just
see how it turns out.
no masquerading. No salivating.
So I got it done finally and dried overnight.
Can't see
Uh,
the future.
Sorry about the mess in the background. I've got another video that I'm filming of me rebuilding the couch in the RV. The couch is very uncomfortable, so now the couch is a dog bed.
Always be.
So I'm building this shelf to go above the desk so I can put my monitor and my speakers and still have room for my keyboard
And
underneath.
missing out on life's reward. Blue jean people,
Well folks, this is it. This is the final result of my AV desk. I'm pretty happy with it. I decided not to trim it because I really kind of like the way it looks. I did trim the front of this drawer, But other than that, I just left it pretty well plain, just because like I said, I like the way it looks. And you know, I've got basically a little bookshelf, a couple of little shelves to put things on, and I've got my mixer, and just you know, odds and ends. Basically, I decided not to use this shelf that I was building at the end, because I figured out that if I use a monitor and I mount it on the wall, that it'll actually work better, because that shelf was just kind of sticking out too far. I didn't really measure it when I did it, so but it turned out real nice where it is. So yeah, I'm really happy with the whole thing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I really appreciate my dad giving me the songs, the Blue Jean People songs. Cool, thanks Dad. And he's gonna have some of his music up for people to check out in the future. So please like, subscribe, comment, and tell me how I'm doing. Catch you later.